Now, Markforged simulation, arguably Markforged's most powerful tool, also witnessed some improvements this year. First, Markforged recognized that the two sole face selection options, creating a rigid anchor or creating a load, did not always represent a part's real-world conditions. So, in response, they released a third option called sliding planes. Sliding planes restrict movement perpendicular to a flat face while still allowing sliding movements along the plane. Before this release, you would have had to have anchored that face, which would have fully restricted all movement, and that's not realistic for all parts. Lastly, Markforged improved the intelligence of fiber placement within a part in simulation. Now you can expect more intuitive and efficient fiber placement, leading to reduced material costs, shorter print times, all without compromising performance. And just so you're aware, simulation is compatible with Vega, Onyx, carbon fiber, fiberglass, and 17.4 pH stainless steel V2 as of this webinar. Now, simulation is only available to you if you are on an Advanced Digital Forge Complete coverage tier. But Markforged felt it was unfair to deny users who can't justify the extra cost of the Advanced tier of the power of simulation. So they updated Performance Advisor to include fiber reinforcement optimization suggestions. With this update, Performance Advisor is suggesting print setting improvements for both Onyx-only cases and fiber-reinforced cases. It tells you what print settings are being changed, the changes in print time and cost, and if you like Performance Advisor suggestions, you can select them and click Save to update your slice part. In this example here, I can increase the strength of this part by over 5.5 times simply by adding fiber. And the result is intelligently added fiber sandwich panels to this part to resist the forces being applied to it. And if I need something more exact than this simple preliminary study, this is where simulation comes in.